Welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson, and today you join me in front of a all-new 2026 Yamaha Boats AR195. This is a great first boat for the family, one of the top values in its segment. And this thing's a little pocket rocket with that 1.8 liter supercharged SVHO engine. It's a ton of fun to drive. Comes on the galvanized trailer that you see here. This being an AR series boat, you've also got the water sports tower up top. Follow me around back. Let's take a look at the interior of this boat. The AR195 has several upgrades over the AR190 and SX models. You've got SeaDek floorings on the back here. That's a glue down style. As you step in here, you go over your center tunnel. You're gonna have snap-in flooring on the inside of the boat. It's a nice option here. You can take it out and clean it very easily. Great space for the family here to sit all around. You've got a table mount over on your starboard side. It's also a great place to put a cooler, things like that. Up at your helm, you're gonna have some awesome controls for your driver. You've got a flip-up bolster here, give you multiple points to sit. You've got a tilt-based steering wheel, nice dedicated phone holder here. You've got a Yamaha screen here that shows your engine data, things like that. Stereo head, of course, and then some manual toggle switches on the dashboard for your lights and other accessories. You've got a very large center ski locker here in the middle. It's a great place to put your cover, as well as some storage here. On the port side, you see we've got the cooler in there, and this boat also comes with the bow filler cushion that you see just behind. One of my favorite features on the 19-foot series of boats is this nice glove box in here. It's a great place for safety equipment, phones, keys, wallets, things like that. Coming up to the front, you can have a very comfortable seating area here for 2 or 3 guests. You've got a dedicated anchor storage here under your front seat. It's a nice option. Polk audio, stereo, speakers up here, and then you've got grab handles both port and starboard, as well as cup holders for your forward passengers. This is a great family boat. It's an amazing value, tons of fun to drive. We've got several in stock here at MarineMax. Give us a call, check us out at marinemax.com, or stop by today for more. Thanks for watching.